All right, so I've got this TS100 and I found this nice thin tip. However, when I put this brand new tip in and plug it in, press the button, it goes straight from 25 degrees to 470 degrees and then gives me the sensor error. So let's see if we can't fix this. I already took the liberty of taking this little end piece off. It's just a little piece of plastic. Clips come right off. And I noticed if you measure the resistance on these two little wires, you should get a couple ohms. I don't know, 8 or 10 or so. But if we do the outsides, we get nothing. If we go on the insides, there we go, we start to get some readings around 10 ohms. So what that tells me is that got a faulty connection here. So let's see if we can't fix that. Put my other tip in. Got my little solder station here. And let's see if we can't just resolder these little bits. See if it helps. These little tight spaces is why I want the finer tip. Let's see if that helps. Did we get in there? I think I need a little bit more on this one. Let's check the resistance again, see what we got. .81, that's pretty solid. Put these back together. Go. Out. One in. Try again. See what happens. Seems fixed. Success.